Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to sign up for the Walmart Affiliate Program. First, open Google Chrome and search for Walmart Affiliate Program. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. Here you will find information about becoming a Walmart affiliate and earning commissions. As a Walmart affiliate, you will receive a weekly newsletter containing banners, links, and information about featured products to showcase on your website. You will gain access to the Affiliate Member Center, where you can find more banners, generate links, and access data feeds to tailor your Walmart.com referrals to your visitors. Additionally, you will have the support of Walmart.com's affiliate account team members and access to the great tools provided by the Impact Radios platform, making it easy for you to maximize your earnings from the program. Next, click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to enter your first name, last name, and email address. Confirm your email address by entering it again. Create a username and password for your account, ensuring it is secure. Confirm your password by entering it again. Click on Next to proceed. Fill out any additional required information to complete the sign-up process. Once you have added all the necessary details, click on Next to finalize your sign-up for the Walmart Affiliate Program. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.